Hey everyone! Feeling sluggish and tired? If you're looking to boost your energy naturally without reaching for that cup of coffee, I've got some amazing tips for you. Today, let's explore some nutrient-packed foods that can give you that much-needed lift and keep you energized throughout the day. First up, we've got apples. Apples are rich in natural sugars, boron, and antioxidants. They offer a steady energy release, so you'll avoid those jittery highs and crashing lows. Plus, they're delicious and easy to carry around. Next, let's talk dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me right. Dark chocolate, especially with at least 70% cocoa, contains iron, magnesium, and a bit of natural caffeine. It provides a sustained energy boost that can keep you going without the crash. Quinoa is another powerhouse. This superfood is packed with protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, and iron. It's perfect for maintaining energy levels and keeping you full for longer. Try it in a salad, soup, or even as a breakfast bowl. Ever heard of yerba mate? This South American herbal tea is naturally caffeinated and loaded with antioxidants. It's a great coffee alternative, offering a stimulating energy boost without the jitters. Brew it up and enjoy. For a caffeine-free option, chicory root is a fantastic choice. Roasted and brewed like coffee, chicory root offers prebiotic fiber and antioxidants. It's a wonderful way to start your day with a warm, comforting drink. Avocado lovers, rejoice! Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support energy production and provide sustained energy. Spread it on toast or add it to your smoothie for a creamy boost. Berries are another excellent option. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and natural sugars. They make a perfect snack or addition to your breakfast, keeping you energized and satisfied. Don't forget about fish, especially fatty fish like salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and protein, fish supports energy production and overall well-being. Try incorporating it into your meals a few times a week. Maca is a Peruvian superfood that's been gaining popularity. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a natural energy boost and supporting hormone balance. Add it to your smoothies or oatmeal for a nutritious kick. Lastly, turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric can help improve energy levels and overall health. Add it to your dishes or enjoy it as a warm turmeric latte. A few tips before we wrap up. Combine these foods for a synergistic energy boost, like pairing apples with almond butter or berries with Greek yogurt. Experiment with different preparation methods, such as roasting chicory root or brewing yerba mate. Consider adding adaptogenic mushrooms like chaga or cordyceps to your coffee or tea for an extra boost. And start your day with a warm lemon water or a green smoothie for an energizing and detoxifying kick. Remember, while these foods can provide a natural energy boost, individual results may vary. Listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more energized you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on living your best life. Catch you next time.